Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. It's unit number 3, continents of the world. We are going to study right now. There are total 7 continents in all over the world. North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Asia and Europe. Continent is the large continuous mass of land. Continent is commonly defined as large land mass separated from other land masses by ocean. A full global map is divided into 4 hemispheres, named after 4 directions. North America, Europe and Asia are located in northern hemispheres. South America, Australia and Antarctica belong to the southern hemisphere, while the last continent, that is Africa, it is spread both in northern and southern hemisphere. Let us discuss each continent one by one. Number 1 is Asia. It includes 50 countries. It is the largest continent of the world that covers 1/3 of the Earth's land surface. It is the most popular landmass and has 60% of Earth's population. Mount Everest is the highest point of Earth that is situated in Asia. Red Sea is the lowest point of the Earth that is situated in Asia. Second continent is Europe. It comprises 51 countries. It is surrounded by Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. It also has Mediterranean and Black Sea. All countries of Europe have access to the sea except few like Switzerland, Austria, Romania, etc. Vatican City is the smallest country of Europe. Major cities of the world are found in Europe like London, Paris, Berlin, Rome, Madrid, and Moscow. Third continent is North America. It includes 23 countries led by USA as the largest economy in the world. This is the third largest continent of the world. It starts from Aleutian Island between Panama border and Colombia. Some physical features of this continent include frozen wilderness, widespread forests, temperate farmlands, and grassy plains. Greenland Island is the world's largest island. It also lies in this continent. These are the names of some countries that are located in this region. Fourth continent is South America. It comprises only 12 countries. It is the 4th largest continent of the world that extends from Caribbean Sea down to Antarctica. The longest mountain range, Andes, lies in this continent. Amazon River is the world's largest river, lies in this continent in Brazil. The highest known lake, Titicaca, lies in this continent. Atacama Desert is one of the driest deserts located here. The next continent is Africa. It comprises 54 countries. It is the hottest continent. It is second largest continent of the world. It covers 1/3 of the Earth's land surface. The world's biggest desert, Sahara Desert, lies in this continent. Mt. Kilimanjaro, Nile River Valley, and Lake Victoria are situated in this region. The next is Australia. It includes 14 countries. It is least populated continent. Only 0.2% of total population lives here. It is the smallest continent. It is considered as a continent as well as country. Its climate varies from tropical in the north to temperate in the south. Australian outback is the region where vegetation is possible, rest of area covered by desert or by semi-deserts. Long mountain chain that runs from north to south along the eastern coast of continent Great Dividing Range is present in Australia. The last continent is Antarctica. It is the coldest continent in the world, completely covered with ice. It is located in South Pole. It is fifth largest continent. No permanent population exists here due to cold temperature. Polar bears are the most common animals in this continent. Antarctica Desert is the largest desert in the world that is covered with ice.